Quick overview, my marketing shtick, and then we'll get right in. ACAMP is a not-for-profit organization. We're supported by both Western Diversification and the Alberta Advanced Education Technology Group. Half and half by each. That goes for the equipment that we buy. What we're here to do is to help companies commercialize products. One of the main reasons for the seminar was to help companies to get together and talk about what they're producing, what they're doing, as well as researchers and technologists to find out the areas around micro and nano that they can get involved in that market. So ACAMP is kind of like the library. We have a lot of equipment to support manufacturing of products in the micro nano space. And then we're also half involved in business development activities where we support the standard business cases, platform developments, market research, those type of efforts, including financing, which we don't have any money for financing, but we certainly will try to connect the dots. Our mandate is to help companies throughout Alberta and actually all over Canada. We have two locations. One's in Edmonton, one's in Calgary. In fact, I threw the new picture. We're just closing on a new building down in Calgary. We have a few of the Calgary team up here today. And hopefully we'll be in this facility in the next month, in the next few weeks. The minister, when Minister Horner first came at new technology, he was saying he wanted to see $20 billion in sales of new technology in Alberta over by 2020, that outside of just the standard conventional energy, oil and gas industry. So how does ACAMP work? We're a not-for-profit, as I said. We take our equipment, we depreciate it over 5 years. So it's, when you look at it, you can get millions of dollars worth of equipment to use, and you get it at a very inexpensive rate. We just simply depreciate. And our clients simply pay on a per hour basis on what they need for any of the equipment or people, resources. We don't want your intellectual property. We don't need it. We don't want it. We want you to keep your intellectual property. So when you come into ACAMP, we work with you. You sign an agreement that says we don't want your intellectual property, and then you go home with it once you're done developing and selling your product. Clients can use our facility with or without our help. So we have our capability to support you, but if you want and you feel like using the equipment yourself, you can do that in our facilities. I won't belabor. We have marketing, business development, product development activities. We have lots of equipment and clean room space to help companies to develop their products. We have lots of platform technologies that we're developing to enable companies to come in and use it. We have some new areas that we're working on, both in the geomatic space and laser assembly. You say, so what does that mean to me? Well, for instance, if you're building navigational or inertial products, you'll want to use some of the geomatics test equipment and characterization. So if you're mapping a region, you could use that equipment for characterization and test. For laser assembly, you might be doing spectroscopy applications, and you're looking for bacteria, pathogens, something. We can now assemble laser chips into packages. So we're not, as I said, we're on the micro nano scale, so we could take component and pieces, put them together on very complex assemblies, and help you take them to market. Our packaging technologies, we cover a range of different applications and a variety of different types of packages. And that's it. Okay, so we have a full agenda for today.